Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to remove your sun visor in a Honda DC5 or an Acura RSX. Okay guys, so you're going to need a couple of things. First of all, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and you will also need one of these little, well, you don't need the set, but you're going to need some T-sockets or whatever they're called, stars. Basically they just look like this, so you're going to need these. I think they're T's, so you're going to need some of these. Alright, and basically you're going to get your screwdriver, or just use your own screwdriver if you got a set. You want to go up here and pop your mirror down, right, and then just up in here you need to get your screwdriver in here and just pop that like that, and then pop it in the other side, and then just pop it out like that, okay? And then this is just going to slide off. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and you're going to notice that there are some stars. So you're going to need, I think it's this one here. Okay, that fits. All right, you're going to need to use a T25, okay? So you can see that, T25, okay? So just go ahead, get it on your screwdriver. I'll just pop this up here. I'll move this forward. And I'm just going to undo this. Take that off. And then we're going to go ahead and pop this one out this way and move it down. And then we're going to go ahead and undo the other one. You're going to probably want to have someone here to hold it because it's going to drop. Or you just hold it with your other hand, unlike me, because I've got a camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and grab this. So I'm just going to pop this out like that. And that is now off. Okay guys, very simple, very easy, and yeah, hopefully this video has helped you in learning how to remove your sun visor. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Peace out.